subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has launched its new 5G smartphone in India called OnePlus 10R, along with the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus 10R features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate support. The screen is HDR10+ certified and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max chipset paired with Mali G610 MC6 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the OnePlus 10R supports a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119.7° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Oxygen OS 12.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging support, and there is another variant that supports 150W fast charging with 4500 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with a large vapor cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also includes Hyper Boost mode feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.3 by 75.5 by 8.2mm and it weighs around 186 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus 10R has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 38,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 42,999 Indian rupees. And there is another variant with 150W fast charging support is priced at 43,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 4th in Sierra Black and Forest Green color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus 10R 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.